Hi there all, welcome back for another video of a service reset my car. Today I had a Volkswagen Tiguan 2012 model and he had a flat tire. We repaired the flat tire and the indicator on the dashboard is blinking when you start the car, as you can see. Not blinking, but it's on. I'm talking about this indicator, and I'm going to show you how to reset this manually. Before we start, I want to mention our YouTube channel, Service Reset My Car. If you enjoy my videos, there are more than 100 videos of different type of cars, different model cars. You can watch them all on my channel, and give us a thumbs up if you like our videos. Okay, once we start the car or turn the ignition onto the second position, you can go through the menu by the right side of the steering wheel. There's this. Once you are here, you only use the right side. Go down with the button and find tire pressure. That's this one. Once you are there, press OK. And we have to store the new pressure on the tires, and press OK again and confirm. And as you can see, there is no lights here over here anymore. So if you had a flat tire, you always have to reset that back. Every new car is the same, different reset styles, but you have to reset it back for the light to turn off. If you like our videos, give us a thumbs up. If you didn't subscribe yet, we would appreciate it if you subscribe. See you next time with another video. Bye bye.